am I doing that thing where I put my glasses on and pretend that I'm not as ugly as I am? Yeah, and I really hate the way this is reversed and like you can't tell how weird it is. Anyway, this is my uni room tour. I filmed this about a week and a half ago, maybe. Actually, it probably wasn't even that long ago, but because like so much happens on a daily basis, I literally just I don't actually know when I filmed this. Could have been last week, but so much has happened that I literally don't know. I have no concept. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoy. I don't really know how much of a mess of it is. I have another video that I filmed when I was drunk. I'm going to go over the footage, see what it's like, and then I might edit that tonight. I don't know. You don't really care because I never consistently upload anyway, so who even cares? But yeah, I hope you enjoy. I really love my room, so let's get into it. Oh, God, why do I do these things? Right, so I tidied my room specifically for this. It's not exactly the neatest, but like we move. So yeah. So you walk into my room, here's my door. Just locks like that. It's got like key cards. Got hooks there. Actually I'll do this first, yeah. It's got a dressing gown, my favourite hoodie, and then my coats all there. I need to actually look at the camera so I know what I'm doing. And then we have my bathroom, which is like my fashionable outfit. So I look really not okay. Anyway, in here we're actually quite lucky that we've got these. Like not many uni accommodations have like stuff like this. But yeah, so I've just got tampons, pads, face masks. This is like an extra razor blade, like nail stuff. And then this is basically all skincare. Like flannels, yeah, this is just all my skincare basically. There's not really much to say about it. Yeah, and then I've got my dirty cotton pads there. Toilet. This is my sink. I don't really know what to say, like it's just kind of dull in here, but toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, deodorant, flannel which needs to go in the wash. Yeah, obviously you just saw I had some other ones. I need to put this in the wash, but because I'm in isolation right now, it's my last day, but I haven't been able to put anything in the wash, but when I can, it'll be in the wash. Razor, Estrid, obviously. Obviously it's not sponsored, but I do recommend because they're cheap and they're like the best razor I've ever used. Yeah. Then I just have my shower. It's a really nice shower. It's quite small, and I feel like I want to get like a slip mat, because I slip every time I get in the shower. Shower cap, bath mat. This bag, just I don't really know what to do with this stuff, right? It's got like spare conditioner, tablets, and a spare body wash in there. I don't really know. There's no room in there. I might just put it in my bedroom. I'll show you where I'd put it in a sec, but yeah. Towels, got 2 towels. Oh, and I've got a hand towel there, which I'm not gonna lie, I never use because these are right here, so why would I not just use them? But yeah, that's my little airport bathroom. To be fair, it's a pretty nice bathroom. My building's brand new. Yeah, and then I have my wardrobe, which you're going to think is ridiculously empty, but you should probably understand why. So here's my wardrobe. It's not really neat, but yeah, I've got some stuff here that needs ironing that I haven't ironed, like some shirts, skirts, trousers, that random stuff. I don't really know what to say, it's just clothes really. And then obviously I've got loads of room up here, which is good because I've got an ASOS order coming today. Brilliant. I got those boxes to put clothes in, but I don't need them and they don't fit anywhere, so they're just there now. And then a bag which I use like to take home and stuff. And then I've just got some shoes. So I've got some like plain black heels, which I might wear tomorrow night. Some trainers, my like boot heels. So I've got like some like burgundy ones and then my zebra print ones. This is basically all just like leggings and like jogger shorts. More like sweat stuff, jogger shorts, joggers, leggings. Some pink tops, some black tops. It's not all of them. Don't ask, I don't know. I just like semi-organised them. Yeah, that's my wardrobe. And then we have this, which takes up most of my floor, which everyone thinks it's ridiculous, but I'm honestly like so okay with having this amount of floor. Like, it literally does not affect me at all. So this is my extra clothing rail. I do fashion marketing, so I obviously have a lot of clothes, right? We're gonna move on from it. We just are. So this is my clothing rail. I just have hats on the end here. I don't have a lot of hats, I've got 2, and I literally never wear them, but there. Bags on this end, and then belts on a hanger here, because I never know how to store belts, so that's, yeah. I don't want to go through everything, it's not really organised, but I've got leather jackets, denim jackets, hoodies, like trousers and stuff, jumpers, just like random stuff. Some like dresses there, another jacket. Look at that, oh it's a dress. And then it has a shoe rail on the bottom, so I have like my most worn shoes basically. My Air Force is just next to my mirror because I wear them all the time, and then my slippers are just there. I also have some black sliders that I wear in the kitchen, but here's the thing. I wore them in the kitchen yesterday and I've lost one of them. I think it's under the sofa, but yeah. So I've just got my Ghost Air Force, Topshop shoes, my boots, and then my black trainers. And then we do have plugs under the bed. My laptop charger isn't permanently here, it kind of just goes wherever it wants to because it's really long. And then my phone charger. And then we have my bed. I didn't want to film this on a vlog camera, but my main camera's dead, so yeah. My throw, I haven't said where anything's from, I've just realised. My clothing rail's from Argos, so it's like £10 and it's really good, so I highly recommend. And my towels are from Primark. Most of my stuff is from Primark. This is actually from HomeSense, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this blanket. It's so soft. Yeah. Bed sheets, I think these are from Primark. I want to say. My pillowcases, like my cushions, they're from IKEA. Because I know I'm going to get questions on that, to be fair, because they're cow prints and everyone's obsessed with cow print. But yes, my bed, it never looks like this. Yeah, I have a dimmer switch, which is good because I turn that light on before I go to bed. So I have like 2 lights, and then, yeah, and then I can turn it off from my bed. Then this kind of doesn't look that cute. It does in everyone else's room, but not in mine, because why would it? So this is where like the majority of my clothes are pretty much, because obviously they weren't allowed to fit anywhere else. So I've got my jeans there, jumpers there, sportswear, most of my tops, obviously the ones that aren't in the cupboard, shorts and skirts, and then I've just got like a plant thing, which that kind of looks cute. I usually have a cookbook there, but it's currently in the kitchen. Some coffee, which I haven't used yet, and another plant. And then that is basically just like drawer dividers that I haven't used. I will probably find a use for them eventually, but I haven't yet, so yeah. And then I'm not going to go into these 2 drawers. That is underwear, that is pyjamas, no one cares. Then I have my pill container, which obviously is empty right now. This is just kind of like full of random shit. There's no really other way of describing it. It's kind of like my daily use stuff. So I've got my medication in here, card reader, these which I just had to take for my photography module, card reader, masks, command hooks which I haven't used yet. Yeah, and then I just have bin bags there because why not? Tissues. Then here is my makeup collection, which you're all probably wondering how the hell. This is not all of my makeup, okay? I think we knew that. Also, I didn't mention where like any of my plants are from. That's from Primark. Those are from HomeSense, and those are from IKEA. These drawers, they used to be my sister's before she got Alex drawers, and then we kept them because obviously I couldn't bring Alex drawers to uni. Why the hell am I getting spammed? So I'm just going to do a quick overview because I'm not going to do like a makeup collection because that would be silly. Here I just have foundations, setting sprays, and then like my arsenate powders right there. And then like just stuff that doesn't fit in drawers basically, like some spare eyelashes, my like most used lip glosses, and then like an eyelash case. Then in this drawer I have primers, powders, concealers, lipsticks, like more eyelashes, eyeliner, eyebrow, mascara, stuff like that. Like face powders, blush, bronzer, highlight, face palettes in here. This is kind of hard to open, with some more
highlighters that didn't fit. This is the majority of my palette. I just got this organiser from Amazon, by the way. I really recommend it. It's just got most of my palettes in it. Obviously I've got like a billion more palettes at home, but yeah, it's just got little, I don't know if you can see, little dividers in it like that. Eye brushes, face brushes. I just keep my moisturiser there because it's like really nice to put them. And then I've got like my big Morphe palettes here, because obviously they weren't about to fit in there. Just some gems, and then smaller palettes like my Melt one and like Huda Beauty, and then all my glitters and stuff just in there. And then my mirror. I love this mirror so much. I don't know why, like it's just such like a nice size, and it just takes, I can take really nice pictures in it, and it's just in a cute place, you know what I mean? It's just cute, just set up nicely. Hair stuff, so hairbands, scrunchies, bandanas, and my hairbrush on there. Jewellery, obviously this organiser, also from Amazon I think. Oh, these little wicker basket things, they are from Primark. Yeah. This, Amazon, it's just like a letter holder. Oh, my sunglasses are just there. And my Chili's bottle, and then just like a glass of water, which is empty, but yeah. Chili's bottle, not Chili's bottle, fuck's sake. Letter holder, which is just full of, so it's like sort of random, sort of not. I have my Alexa on here, which doesn't connect to the internet properly. I'm gonna try again today. Yeah. My planner, which is currently empty, my glasses, and then just like, this is kind of what I use to write in all my like lecture prep stuff. So anything that I need, I write in there for like pre-lecture stuff. It's like personal stuff, so just like letters that I get for me. Yeah. These are basically where I'm going to put like my assignments, like anything that I need to do. And then it's just like my go-to notebook. Yeah. Then I have these 3 drawers, and there's my bin. And then like that stuff there, which is kind of boring, but I'll get to it. Top drawer is stationery, just like uni stuff. It looks really colourful for like a uni student, but like fashion, so I have to have like colouring pencils and stuff like that. I feel like I filmed this really badly, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, and I've just got my highlighters in there. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's just kind of like random stationery stuff. In here is more like electrical. So I've got some extension cords which I haven't used yet. I might need to use them at one point. Hair curler, hair straightener, portable charger, another plug thing which I haven't used, and like batteries and random stuff. Yeah. And then in here is all of my camera stuff. I do a photography module, and obviously YouTube, and you know, the whole thing. So yeah, it's just all my camera stuff basically. Here's my trainers that I wear all the time. And then under here is really, really boring stuff. I have makeup bags there, tote bags, and like other bags that I would just like take to go into like uni, or like just go to the shops or something. And then this is just like cleaning stuff basically. And then some like bags for life. I have some other ones in the kitchen. Yeah, it's really boring. Like that is just stuff that's shoved away because I don't need it all the time. Here's my mirror. I look disgusting, as I've said. I have a lecture like in like half an hour, but yeah. Then this was originally going to go in my bathroom, because everyone says get vertical bathroom storage. I have storage in my bathroom, so I'm out of breath. I just use it for like daily stuff. I don't really know how to describe it. So I've got my AirPods here, umbrella, and then I've just got my purse and my key card there. And it's just, it is quite helpful to just have there, like it's just next to my mirror, so I like get ready, look at my outfit, pick it up and go. Yeah. And then last thing is just my laundry basket. I really haven't said where anything's from. I really don't feel like I have, but this is from the range. It's really good. It's got handles and it like does up. I need to do a wash, as you can tell, but I haven't left the flat in 10 days, so yeah. And then I think that's also from the range. My bin was with the room. I think like that's the thing, I got given a lot of stuff with this room, so I haven't really got any other stuff, but yeah, that is, should I do an overview? That is my bedroom. I do really love it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I love my room. But yeah.
And that is my room tour. Not really much to say. I feel like it was kind of boring. If you want to know anything else that I didn't mention, because I probably forgot, ask in the comments. I mean, I'm not sure anyone's that bothered, but if you are, just ask me. I will let you know. It's kind of annoyed me that it's taken me this long to edit this video because it's taken me less than half an hour to edit. It's literally like one clip pretty much. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed. As I've said, I do really love my uni room. I went home last weekend. Oh, I worked out when this was filmed, so I've been out of quarantine for 2 weeks, like tomorrow or the day after. So oopsie, it's been a while since I filmed this, but yeah, I went home this weekend and I realised that I love my uni room more than I love my room at home, which is probably because it's white and not yellow. I was going through something, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go do the lecture that I missed today and sort my life out because I look grim. See ya.